Many people wonder how to perfectly swap faces in photos and videos. The good news is that it's actually very easy. With Edimakor, you can achieve realistic face swaps in just a few clicks. Alright, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Step 1. Downloan Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Step 2. Photo face swap. First, launch Edimakor and click New Project. Then navigate to the Face Swap section and select Photo Face Swap. You'll notice two available modes, single face and multiple faces. For this tutorial, I'll use the single face mode as an example. Next, upload your original photo. Then, in the Face Upload section, import the face you want to replace the original one with. Click Facial Recognition, and Edimakor will automatically detect the faces in the image. If you prefer not to reveal someone's identity, Method 1. Mosaic Blur. Click Mosaic, choose your preferred mosaic style, and adjust the blur intensity until you're satisfied. Method 2. Stickers. Where you can either select stickers from Edimakor's built-in library or upload your own custom stickers. Click Start Face Swapping. After a short wait, the face-swapped image will be generated. As you can see, the result looks surprisingly natural and realistic. Step 3. Video face swap. Now let's move on to video face swap. For this video, I'll use the multiple faces mode. The workflow is very similar to photo face swap. First, upload a video file that is under 500 MB in size. Then click facial recognition, and Edimakor will automatically identify all detectable faces in the video. Next, upload the replacement faces and assign them to the corresponding people you want to swap. Once everything is set up, click Start Face Swapping. Once the process is complete, click Open File Location to quickly access your newly generated face-swapped photos and videos. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now it's your turn. Download Edimakor, try swapping faces with your friends' photos and videos, and see their reactions. You might be surprised by how realistic the results look.